Good afternoon, guys. Thanks for joining us. In this video, I'm going to cover how you would wire a generic Modbus device to our controller SCC 520. As you can see, here's the picture of the 520. You have your Ethernet port up here. You also have your analog inputs all up here. Your power connection down here. You have your analog output points, your digital output points, which are the relays, the 5 relays, and then you have the 2 RS-485 ports that the 520 has. Now, by default, only RS-485 port 2 is enabled from the factory. RS-485 port 1 here is for future use or certain OEM applications. So by default, RS-485 port 1 is not yet enabled, okay? And it's only RS-485 port 2. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the RS-485 port 2 port. And as you can see, you got the A plus and B minus. This is where you would tie in your RS-485 wiring from your Modbus device or devices. This is where you get daisy chain 2. So Modbus RTU is a polarity sensitive protocol, so make sure you wire correctly the positive and negative. The positive obviously goes to A plus, which is terminal 19, and the negative wire goes to B minus, which is terminal 20. Okay, I hope this video gives you a quick indication of where you would terminate the RS-485 wires when you're talking to Modbus devices. And please email us back if you have any other questions. Thank you.